Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to add Mermaid code in draw.io, step by step. Mermaid allows you to create a diagram using simple code, which can then be visualized directly in draw.io. For clean and professional diagrams, first start by opening your draw.io app or website and go to Arrange. Scroll down until you find the insert and follow along. And go to Mermaid, delete the default code, and enter the preferred code that you want. Click Insert. You can now resize its style or export it. Like any other draw.io diagram, following this step can quickly turn your Mermaid code into a visual diagram and make your project more interactive and professional in 2025.